Hi guys, I'm here for a quick Burlington haul. They had a ton of perfumes. Brand name, niche, Arabic, Middle Eastern, and just cheap ones that I've never heard of. So I think I'm going to be doing that a lot more often, y'all. They did not have like anything out for you to smell like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, which also means it wasn't messed with. But these ones are affordable, and I'm a budget hauler, so I grabbed two of them I wanted to grab. I'm going to go back for the Tommy Girl. But they had men's stuff there too. And if you like any of the scents that I haul for men, if you would like a sample of it, I charge $10 plus shipping, and I can fill up one of the atomizers for you and ship it out to you. So if you ever see one that you like that I haul, or one of the women's ones for a girlfriend or wife or mom, let me know in the comments, or you can email me and I will get it shipped out to you. Just know that. I'm going to be getting a lot more as I speak. There's already some more coming in. Yeah. So anyway, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you very much. And yeah, we're going to get into this. This one was $12.99 and normally it's $19. And this is Cutie Pie Sugar Berry Pie. And it says juicy lychee and zesty lemon burst, open with a sweet sugar topping, while berries and rhubarb add a playful twist. As it settles, warm sugar dusted crust lingers, wrapping you in the irresistible scent of fresh baked berry pie. Oh my goodness. This sounds like summertime. Like pies in the kitchen. Like that's why I'm a gourmand lover so much, because I was never into gardening or flowers or anything like that. But baking, and I think that's why it is with me, because those things bring back memories. And I think everybody has certain scents that bring back something to them. But here's the box. It's very cute. Hopefully it smells really good. I'm not expecting much for $12.99. I never do. Do I already smell it? Oh, I do. I'm an oversprayer too. Okay, I smell the berry right off the bat. Okay, where's the pie? I need the pie. Give me the crust. Okay, I'm just smelling berry. But I'm like also very impatient. I'm like, it's not dried. You know what? No, I don't want to spray it on my skin because I have my Marshmallow Skies on. Okay, and it's strong. Let me wait for it to dry a little more and see if I actually smell. Because right now it's very berryish, very sugary. This one is the Lumen Morning at the Cafe Perfume, freshly brewed espresso, creamy oat milk accord, and warm praline. I don't know. This might not be a spring summer scent. This might be more summer, late summer going into spring. We shall see. But look how cute that packaging is with the cafe. So cute. This one was $12.99 too. Man, there's a ton I want to go back for. I want to get the Tommy Girl though, because I think Polly said they might have changed it. And I remember Tommy Girl in like high school. Like everybody had it. Ooh, I like the bottle though. It's very plain. And it will sit very nicely. It looks like it's probably an inspired fragrance, I'm guessing. Just because the way the bottle looks. Please smell like a cafe. It smells fruity. That smells like coconut. Did I get the wrong thing? I'm not smelling espresso at all. Maybe on the dry down? Don't get me wrong, this is like a summer scent, but that's not what I was thinking it was going to be. It smells like, I bet they bottled it wrong. That is not espresso at all. That is like sugar hell. Diabetes, 100%. Yeah, they bottled this wrong. That's not, I mean, I'll wear it. Okay, I'm pissed. I'm a little bit pissed about that. Let's go back to this one. I'm not really, let me smell it on one of my wrists. Let's see. Yeah, it's different on your skin. Like the thing about this is you're spraying it into plastic. Let me try this too. If it's not on your skin, you're not getting a good read if it's going to smell good on you, if you're spraying it on paper either. It is definitely sugarberry, but I'm not getting that baked, the pie part. Okay, we'll smell the paper. Yeah, it's very bright and berry, which is, I love it, but I'm waiting for that crust. that warm crust. And I smell the lemon. Maybe it's the lemon that's so strong. I'm not giving it time to settle. Okay, maybe if I layer it, I only paid $12.99. I'm not expecting the world out of these, but I also don't want you to spend your money. This one is not it. The packaging, I bought it because I wanted to smell espresso with the oat milk and praline. They bottled this wrong. Like it's very sugary, but I'm not getting that warm undertone. Maybe if I mix this, layer it with the vanilla. I have so many different vanilla scents and a marshmallow. So I can spray this, the marshmallow, or put the marshmallow skies, that solid perfume. It's like an oil. Put it on my wrist, then spray it, and then spray this, and maybe just the marshmallow one will be enough. But I don't smell pie. I smell rhubarb. I need the crust in it though. I need that added, like, I don't want just the berries. You know what I mean? Okay, we'll keep checking it, okay? Even when I do the other. Yeah, let me smell this one again. Yeah, they bottled this wrong. There's no way in hell that's anything. It's an amazing tropical smell, but that's not espresso. I'll have to get a different espresso scent, but this is perfect for, maybe the whole thing is boxed wrong, because that really doesn't look like it would be like an espresso type of lumen. I don't know much about lumen. Does anybody know about this brand? That's definitely not it. I will tell you, it does not smell bad. It smells like, that'll match. This will pair good with any of my tropical scents. I love the bottle though. It's so pretty. Okay, maybe, hold on. Now on the skin, the dry down is going to happen sooner than it's going to on here, I think. But anyway, thank you guys for being here for that haul. You know, with scents, you win some and you lose some. And just because other influencers tried it does not mean their sniffer is the same as yours. Even mine. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on what I smell. And I'm not going to try to sell you guys onto something because that's bullshit. I'm trying to get you not to spend your money. But if I find something good, which I feel like 90% of the Arabic perfumes that are that good. And I will say absolutely spend your money, because also they're affordable and you're getting a lot for your money. But these are more juvenile for sure. I need to go back for Tommy Girl, and I will do another haul soon. I'll get some of the men's ones. Make sure you hit your bell notification so you can join me for one of these and let me know which one's good if I run into it. I try to take your guys' advice as much as possible. I'm kind of pissed at this one. I was really excited. It's still really good. Yeah, that is not espresso at all. But thank you for being here. And yeah, definitely hype this video down below. If you swipe right, there's a hype button. It's free to hype. And I believe you get 3 of them a week. And if you could use those all in my videos, I would love it. Anyway, and also get into the habit of checking my daily lives. That's the quickest way for you to get any of my shop with me's, any of the hauls. Because like I said in every other video, it takes a while to get it edited and up live for you guys to see. So definitely check out my lives, and I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.